Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stay Magical 444. My name is Vaishali and I am a psychic reader and an astrologer, and if you want a personal reading then all the details are given down below in the description box. And this is a pick a card reading about what do they want to tell you. So you can think about a person. This person can be your ex, it can be your crush, your present partner, or your boyfriend or a girlfriend, and what they want to tell you. So we have three piles over here. This is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So you can choose any one of them and the timestamp is given below in the description box. So let's start it. Hi, so people who chose pile number 1, so I have written few channel messages for you guys and it's a general reading. So take it how it resonates with you, and if it doesn't then you can choose another pile or you can go for the personal reading. So let's see your cards. So let's read your messages first. So I feel that this person is in some kind of isolation, contemplating. This person lives near a beach or something, or I really feel that some of you guys are not in contact with this person. So let's see what this person wants to tell you. So I feel that this person wants to tell you that give me some time. I am not sure. It's overwhelming for me. I need some space. How can I forget her and move forward? Maybe this person is dealing from some kind of a breakup, or there is also possibility of third party situation over here. And I also feel that this person is facing a lot of challenges in their life right now. This person want to tell you that I am not sure whether I can give you stability or not, but I really want a new beginning with you. I really feel that passion for you. I really want to come towards you, but still I need some time because I'm not sure about you. And I feel that you are looking for some kind of stability and you are expecting a lot more things from me, but I can't give you anything. My cup is totally empty right now. I really need to heal myself from past issues. I'm holding on to a lot of things right now that I need to release. I'm not ready for a stable connection or a marriage or a wedding. I'm not ready for all these things right now. I am dealing from a lot of stuff in my life and I want to take it slow. But I'm not sure I can give you what you want from me. You are the one who came into my life and forced me to look this person, to look this life from a different perspective. I want to change things in my life. I don't want to stay stuck anymore. I want new beginnings, but I need some time. I really need some time to think about it. Maybe I will come towards you in the future, but I'm not sure about it, and it will be very slow. I can't rush towards the thing. I need some time. So let me pull few more cards for you guys. I'm really getting this person want to tell you some few more things. Let me pull few more cards for you. Okay, we have the Devil card over here. We have the 8 of Swords and we have the Strength in reverse. Two major arcanas. Okay, so this person really want to tell you that I feel that this person is very much passionate about you. Okay, so I'm getting this message. They want to tell you that please don't rush these things. I don't want to do these things with you. Like I don't want to come and go out of your life. I don't want any in and out relationship, but yes, you are very attractive and I can't stop myself. And if you will come again and again, and if you will try to just make it happen at this particular moment, maybe I will just stop thinking about you and I will just go with whatever that I want, that I desire right now. I really want to grab you, I really want to hold you tight, but I can't give you the stability that you are asking for. I don't have that strength. I'm feeling stuck, but yes, I have a passion for you. I really want to touch you. So if this reading resonates with you guys, please let me know through comment section box down below, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm sorry, I forget to pull some charms for you guys. So let's see with the charms what else this person wants to tell you. Please universe, please help me to help people who picked pile number 1, what this person wants to tell them. Okay, we have this journey over here. So this person may be going through a journey and they really want to tell you about this. Again, we have the number 4, number 5. So maybe these numbers are significant for you guys. We have the message. Maybe this person is not talking with you, but I really feel that in future they really want to they will connect with you in the future. We have the air. This person can be an air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. And with this cap and with this charm, okay, this person can be older one, like this person can be 30 above the age of this person. Or I also feel that this is someone who's very independent, very stable in his or her life. Someone who's independent. Yeah, I'm also getting energy of Capricorn over here, so this person can also be a Capricorn. So yeah, this is all for you guys. So bye, thank you, take care. So people who chose pile number 2, so I have written few channel messages for you guys, and it's a general reading, so take it how it resonates with you, and if it doesn't, then you can choose another pile or you can go for the personal reading. So let's see these cards. Okay, so these are the cards that we have for the people who picked pile number 2, and I really feel that this person can be your crush, or this is someone who is in your college, or you guys are studying together, or you guys are in the same office or working together. I also feel that this is someone who is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Gemini, and I'm also getting an energy of Scorpio over here. So let's see what this person really want to tell you. So I've written few messages. I don't even know you want me. I'm not sure how you feel about me. I never thought like that about you. I know that you are someone who's very pretty, very caring, very handsome or very loving person. You are. I really like your face. I really like your eyes, your lips. Your personality is very different from other people. I really love your vibes. I'm going through a lot of problems in my life. I'm dealing with inner conflicts. I'm living in an illusion, not getting clarity. What is love? I don't know. I want to work on myself. I'm living in a shadow. I can't show you my true self, and I'm on a defensive mode right now. I pretend that I'm happy in my life, I'm enjoying everything, but deep down I'm missing something. I feel that emptiness. I don't know how to express my emotion, how to release these baggage. There are some child issues, but I don't know how to deal with it. You are pretty, you are beautiful. Why would you love me? I'm sure that you just like me, or it's just an infatuation, but you don't love me. It can be attraction. How can someone love me? I know about it. And it's quite difficult for me to express myself to you. I just want to have fun. I don't want to look on these dark side of mine. Even I don't want you to look at all these things that I'm dealing right now in my life. If you are thinking about stability, no. I can give you something stable. Yes, there are more than 2-3 people in my life. I have a lot of options, but I don't know which one is good for me because I don't know what I want. I don't know how to love other people. I have never received that kind of love into my life. I just want to go out, want to have some drinks, want to have some fun with you and with other people. Don't try to push me. Nothing will happen between us. Even if I try, things won't happen according to me. Good things never come to me. I don't know why I'm saying all these things, but trust me, I'm getting this vibe. This person maybe has some kind of a childhood issues. Sorry for the noise, guys. He was my dad. Okay, so I was saying that I'm feeling that this person can be a narcissist. I'm really sorry. Someone who's a bit selfish, or someone who has faced a lot of problems during their childhood and they feel difficult to express their emotion. This is someone who is a bit immature. I'm getting this feeling. This is not very much experienced in love, or this is someone who had experienced deception in the past and now they don't want to deal with that emotions anymore. And even I feel that this person never talk about their past, never talk about their emotions with you. And I'm also getting that this is someone who drink a lot, or someone who talk a lot, or try to just keep themselves busy in their life. So let's pull some charms to see more about this person. Please universe, people who picked pile number 2, what this person want to tell them. Okay, so I'm getting that they think that if you are a female, they think that you are very caring, you are very cute, you can get any person that you want into your life. And one more thing I'm just hearing, they are also telling you, if you guys are in a same college, if you are studying together, this person want to tell you that you can get anyone that you want. You are like a star. They are saying that you have that healing energy, and they really love your aura, your light. Maybe sometimes you give advice to this person, maybe they act like they are ignoring you, or they don't want to listen to you, but deep down they really like you. But if you talk about love, this person doesn't know how to love. Okay, so we have the journey. Maybe you met this person in the winter, or maybe this person was born in winter, or you were born in winter. We have this flower. You bring a lot of happiness into their life. We have the luck. Sometimes they think that you are a bit lucky for them. We have the cycle. Again, this person is going through some kind of karmic cycle. We have the number 4, and then we have the message. Okay, let me pull a few more. I feel that maybe in the past this person said something rude things to you, and now they are feeling guilty about it, and they really want to apologize for that. We have the Gemini. We have the purple stone. Okay, I feel that this person is opening up intuitively. This person is opening up. They are going through some kind of transformation and transition in their life right now. Maybe this person did something to you and you are feeling hurt because of that, something bad. I don't know, maybe this person was talking rudely with you, or maybe this person was cheating on you, something like that this person did with you, or maybe they were talking with other people and ignoring your messages or ghosting you, but now they are feeling guilty about all these things. They really want to come towards you, but at the same time this person is feeling or facing a lot of things right now and going through a transformation. Maybe this person has a dog. I'm also getting this energy that this person is someone who is a bit immature, because we even have the Fool card over here, and someone who maybe his or her father died or a mother died when they were just a child or just a kid. And somewhere I feel that there are a lot of issues, self-love issues with this person. But I really want to tell you something, guys. If you are thinking that you can help this person, trust me, you should not do that, because they are already going through a lot of stuff. And what I feel that even if you will try to help this person, they will just take things from you. They are not going to give you back. So if this reading resonates with you guys, please let me know through comment section box down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up to all my videos. Thank you so much. Hi pile number 3. So I have written few channel messages for you guys. So it's a journal reading, so take it how it resonates with you, and if it doesn't, then you can choose another pile, or you can watch another person's video, or you can go for the personal reading. So first of all, we will see the cards and then these channel messages, and in the end we'll see the charms. So let's start it. So here are your cards. So I feel that this person can be a Scorpio, can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Pisces, or Cancer. And I really feel that this is someone who is totally in love with you, who really want to give you something stable. This person sees you as an Empress. You can be Taurus, you can be Libra, or you can be a fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries, what I'm seeing over here. I'm also getting the energy of Pisces. So the thing that this person want to tell you, what this person want to tell you. So I've written these messages. I'm upset because of you, but I still want to start this connection again. I want to forget the past, and I just want to spend time with you. I want a new beginning with you. I want to give you something stable. I tried hard, but I can't live without you. I don't know what is it. Maybe it's love and it's attraction. I can't stay away from you. My ego is stopping me from expressing my feelings with you. but I still want to come towards you and want to have a family with you. I wasn't serious in the past, but I really want to give you this love. I really want to give you a gift, something stable. I wish that I can meet you, we can spend some time together, and I can tell you how much I love you. Though I can't tell you everything about myself because I still have some issues and I'm dealing with it, but I still want a new start with you. I really see you as a wife or my future husband. I really want a family life with you. I wish that I can tell you all these things, and I'm planning and preparing for it. I will come towards you soon in future. And I know that you are upset with me because I'm a bit late and I'm taking so much time, but I don't want to cheat you. I don't want to deceive you. I want to give you what you deserve. I know in the past I was taking you for granted. I know that you care about me, that you love me, and no one can do that. You are the only one who loves me. You are someone who's independent, and I really love that thing about you. The way you carry yourself, your dressing style, I really like your hair. I really like your eyes and your hands. Wish we can spend all this life together. I want to get married to you. I really want a happy life with you. So I'm also getting this that maybe there's a third party situation in this connection. This person can be married, or maybe you guys were together, or you told this person that you really love this person, but something happened, this connection ended in the past, and then you moved on, but now this person is realizing their mistake. Now they want to come towards you. And I also feel that this person is good at communicating things. This is someone who's very smart, very clever. What this person want to tell them, please, universe. Wow, again we have the Empress. Can you see that? We have two Empress over here. Definitely this person sees you as an Empress, someone who's beautiful, someone who, even if you are a guy, they see you as someone who's very charismatic, someone who's beautiful, handsome, loving person. And they are not like, they really want to rush towards you. They really want to build something strong with you. I also feel that, oh my gosh, can you see that? We have two King of Pentacles. Definitely this person wants to give you something stable in your life. This person has realized their mistake and they want to come towards you. Definitely this person wants to come towards you. So let's see with the charms what else they want to tell you, or what other information we can get from these charms. Maybe it will resonate with you guys. Okay, we have apologized. Definitely this person want to say sorry to you. Scorpio, again this person can be a Scorpio. We have the karma. So maybe something happened and this person get the karma of hurting you, and now they realize their mistake and they want to come towards you. We have the Leo. This person can be a Leo, and can you see that we have these two pink stone and we have the heart. Definitely this person really like you. You opened up their heart and they really want to come towards you. I don't know whether you want this connection back or not, but this person really want to come towards you. I feel that this person met you in the season of autumn, or I'm getting summers. So yeah, this is all for the people who picked pile number 3. If it resonates with you guys, please let me know through comment section box down below. And if you want a personal reading, then you can message me on my WhatsApp number or email me on my given email ID. And don't forget to subscribe and to like my videos. Thank you so much.